Alright guys, we're back with another video. We're going to be doing another backtesting video. I decided to generate a new month. So we're doing 2023. Let's get started here. So let's mark our draws here. We have the slows down here. Then higher up, where's our next draw? Alright. Let's see where we deliver from. We have this right here and this one. Okay, we stopped all this liquidity. Let's see if we get a strong reaction. Okay, want to go higher. Alright. I like this trade. We're delivering from this little liquidity pool right here. We have this 1 minute inverse right here. We'll target. Just go for a 1-to-1 here. Or 1.53. Break even at this low. Alright. Small little 1 minute inverse right here. Let's take this. Okay, that's break even there. Alright. See, where are we going higher? I think we're going towards this high. What did I see here? Nothing clear. Now we have this slow down here. Slow down here. We have this opening gap. And the side up here. Alright. Let's see what happens. Okay, strong reaction higher. South all this. Delivering from that liquidity. See if we want to go lower. Okay. Alright, we swept that liquidity. Yeah, I like this. Now this. We have this 1 minute inverse right here. Are we delivering? We're delivering from this liquidity we swept right here. And we'll target all the SLR above. Break even point. We'll do that this high. Alright, save this. Okay, that's our break even point. That a 1-to-1. Okay, that's a 1-to-1. We'll take the majority of it out. Alright. This looks like a pretty good trade higher. Break even at this LR right here. At this liquidity. Then you go back and target the new week opening gap. Break even. Then we end up delivering. Nice. Alright, let's mark our red draws. Our draws once again. We have all this LR right here, all these lows. And we have all this liquidity higher as well. Equal highs right here. Yeah, equal highs. To the beginning of this LR. Let's see what happens. We have this LR right here as well. Okay, we'll do sweep. We swept this liquidity right here. Let's just see. All this, we're delivering from it. We're going higher. No IFVG, so we'll wait. Okay, now we swept this. Let's see if we get numbers. Alright, we're gonna take this here. Then we'll target the LR below. And then you can leave running towards right here. And then break even at this internal low. Let's see if he has took it already. No, not yet. Oh shit, my bad guys. I didn't see we break even there. I go back and break even. Okay, let's break even. Wait, I didn't even trigger our trade. What the hell? Alright, well that's break even there. Let me try one more time. Okay, delivering from this liquidity right here. Break even at this internal low. Let our break even. Okay, we have a re-entry here. I want to fade this just because we have LR above. This is where I'll fade it. Okay, this might end up running now. So why would this work? Well, we inverse this 1 minute right here. And we broke past these lows. Strong displacement. I'm not gonna take it just because it's a bit choppy, but you can see it running. Damn, we edged that. See what ends up happening. Alright, next day. Alright, once again, 15 minutes. Mark our liquidity. Yeah, the beginning of the LR right here. And the end of it. These highs above. We do London high as well. And Asia high. So let's see what happens here. Okay, we got a strong sweep and rejection off of the sorter block. Alright, we got our inverse here, really strong inverse, so I'll take this trade. Let me quickly run it towards like the London high, all the way up here. So we have a 30-second inverse right here. Break even at this high right here. Break even at the 930 wick. A 930 wick in even here. Break even at the internal high. Alright, let's break even. Okay, is that a 1-to-1? Alright, that's our 1-to-1, so we'll take the majority of it out. Let's see what ends up happening here. Once again, delivery from this liquidity. Did you guys take it? Yeah, not yet. Oh yeah, he has to take it actually. Alright, let's see if we get a re-entry. Okay, we have a 30-second reverse right here. Delivering from the liquidity lower. We could target the highs once again. Then we could break even at the internal high. Let's see if VS took it. Alright, not yet. Alright, let's break even. Okay. Let's have that. We just want to go over here. Alright, I see. We have all this LR above right here. And it's just the same thing every you guys already know. Just mark out our key levels, our highs and lows. Do one below as well. Alright, let's see what happens here. Okay, we open lower. We sweep to this point. Let's see if it's enough to take us higher. Okay, now we sweep this. Let's see if it's enough to take us higher. Okay, we have all this liquidity right here. Okay, we swept this. Let's see how we react. Alright, I like this strong reaction. Alright, so we have our 3-minute inverse right here. One target higher. Then we can leave a runner as well. You can leave a runner towards all the liquidity high as well. Alright, so we're delivering from this liquidity. It was enough to take us higher. Break even at this first high. Let's see where you guys is at. Alright. Alright, that's break even right there. Is that a 1-to-1? Oh my god, 1-to-1 would be right here. We got break even. I might re-enter here. Let's see how this looks. Okay, re-enter right here. Looks like it's a retracement, but the low is protected. Break even at this internal high up here. Has ES taken anything? Fuck, ES took it. ES took this. Is there a reason to go higher? There still is a reason to go higher. We'll break even early right here. Okay, break even. Alright, so looks like we want to go lower then. So we can find the entry here. Alright, nice save. That's how my bias has just been wrong these days. Alright. Liquidity higher above right here. Let's lock in for us. Right here. So right here. Lows. Alright. So let's see what happens here. Okay, what did we hit? So we hit this liquidity pool right here. Let's start rejecting from that area. Let's see if we want to go lower towards this LR. And we take that. No entry. Okay, I like this. So the reason for this trade, we're delivering from this liquidity. We have a bunch of liquidity high right here. When we edge this right here, we can target this high and something high. And then we can break even right here. And we inversed this 3-minute. I just want extra confirmation because when we inversed it, we swept this as well. And we could reject from that and go lower, but we didn't. Yeah. Hold. Thank you. Is it because ES took it? Fuck, dude. ES took it. I'm gonna break even here, guys. I'm not about to take a loss. That was in looking at ES. Alright, ES took that. Let's break even. Okay. Let's see what's happening right here. Say we want to go higher here. Oh, such a weird spot. Are we dealing from anything? We just edged the lows that we had marked out completely. Alright. No trades yet. That's crazy. Like, no winning trades at all. I have these highs right here. Alright. LR above, liquidity below. Your reject one first. Okay, we set this low right here. See if we get a strong reaction. Okay. Unlucky. Um, okay. Yeah, we have all the security lower generated. We have an SMT here with the S, and then a 1 minute inverse. What are we delivering from? Over here, let's say the starter block. And we'll go for we'll target this second. Oh, this 5 minute. And break even at this internal low. Yeah, that's break even. Let me go back. Okay, we set that. Let's see if we get a reaction. Alright, next day. Pretty weird PA in my opinion, for me at least. Once again, just marking out our key levels. Yeah. Alright, beautiful trade right here. Then we're delivering from this liquidity over here. Under this. Got a strong reaction from it. 2 minute inverse. And we'll break even. This is 9:30 way too close. I'll try to break even right here. Okay, break even. Nice. Dude, we want to go all the way higher. That's crazy that we just edged that. Sorry for the not great commentary, guys. I've been feeling pretty sick today, so. Alright, next day. Let's again mark our draws, see where we reject from. Mark. Alright, accept all this. Any inverse here? No inverse. Down. Alright, we'll take this right here. It's just like a pretty good trade. Delivering from the London low. And we could target all the SLR. Or you could hold as well towards the high all the way up here. Let's see where ES is at. The ES just took everything, so I'll wait on it. Did we sucked all that? Excuse me. Reason I got scared of this trade was because ES took this liquidity right here, and I felt like that could be a point of ejection. Yeah, that's about that. That's about it. All right, let's try to be better here. I think we're just rushing our trades. Just spend more time. It's really big dump. Really big dump. Just wait to see where we deliver from. Okay, strong reaction. We have our inverse right here. 10-minute inverse. So we're trying to rebalance the range. Target the end of this liquidity here. Break even at the 930 wick. Our 930 wick is lower right here. Break even at the end of the SLR. Oh, here's the 2-minute inverse. Alright, that's our break even. Alright, so I'm gonna go sweeping that. Let's see if we want to go lower from here. We have this higher. And we set all this right here. See if we get an inverse. We got an inverse here. I wanted to wait one more candle just because we set this right here. Alright, I like this. Let's see if ES took this. How we're delivering from here. Oh well, we're delivering from something here. We're just rejecting this area. And we have this inverse. And we could break even at this internal low. Break even here. Then we'll just go for 1-to-1. We'll target this right here. Alright, that's lost next day. We'll do more days. Really choppy price action. Friday, Let's see if we finish strong. So we have this higher. We're doing from this London high, looks like. Or no, just this range high. We have all the SLR below. So let's just see. Okay, I'm delivering from the SLR. Is there an SMT? No SMT. Okay, we're delivering from this high. We just reswept. 30-second inverse. No. Jaws lower. See, we're delivering to. Yeah, this hourly gap right here. There's this gap down here. Yeah, I like this delivering from that hourly. And we got our inverse right here. 30-second. It's like the small 30-second inverse. We have this liquidity built up. And you can hold towards this liquidity goes higher. And break even at this internal high. Alright, let's break even. Take the majority of it out right here. Okay, we'll trail. Alright, and that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Analytics. 4 wins, 1 loss, 8 break evens. And here's the piano.